This show is produced by the Harwood Podcast Network.
Hey there, I'm Cameron Harris. We love making this show available to you free of charge, and you can help keep it that way by making a contribution to our Karma Jar or by becoming one of our sponsors. To learn more, visit our website. Hey there everyone, and welcome to another episode of Series Geek. I'm Cameron Harris, and today I want to highlight a service that I use every single day. It's really been a lifesaver for me. It's called Evernote. Now, if you haven't heard of Evernote before, it's basically like a big notebook that lives in the cloud. The thing that makes it really cool is that you can take notes from anywhere, whether they be text or images or even voice recordings, and they will sync up to the cloud and down to all of your other devices that you have Evernote installed on. Of course, Evernote has a desktop app for both Windows and Mac. They also have apps for iPhone, iPad, BlackBerry, Android, Windows Mobile, just about every single device you could possibly imagine. And then they also have a web interface that you can access from any web browser. Now, one of the things that makes Evernote really cool is its organization and search features. You can organize all of your notes into what are called notebooks. You can think of them sort of like folders. You can have a folder for every single topic or category that you want to take notes for. You can also search inside the text of any of your notes, but not just text. Evernote also has a feature where if you take a photo of something with your phone or upload a photo from your desktop, it will actually perform text recognition on that image. And if you search for something, if it finds that text in that sign, it displays that result for you. It's really powerful and it's actually surprisingly accurate. Your notes can include things other than just text though. I mentioned images and audio clips if you have those.
I'm still looking into cable management systems, so I'll check around online and see what I can find about that.
But you can also attach things like checkboxes. So if you wanted to put together a grocery list and have that be available on all of your devices, you could do that. You can also share notes with other people who also use Evernote. And if you're worried about security, don't be, because Evernote can actually encrypt all of your notes using SSL. So you don't have to worry about other people getting access to your notes. Now, one of the best things about Evernote, it's completely free. The way it works is they have two plans. The first one is completely free. You don't pay anything, but you do have some limitations on that account. For example, you have a limited amount of bandwidth that you can use each month. Now, under most circumstances, you're not going to come anywhere close to hitting that cap, but if you do start synchronizing a lot of images or really large documents, you might run into that cap, in which case that would be a reason to go pro. You also get a few more sharing options and some pretty nice features if you go pro. So if you want to go to Evernote Premium, that's $5 a month or $45 a year. Evernote is really powerful, it's very easy to use, and if you're anything like me, it is extremely useful. Be sure to check them out at www.evernote.com. Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Series Geek. Be sure to visit us online at www.harwoodpodcast.com. Also, be sure to become a fan of us on Facebook at facebook.com/harwoodpodcast. And if you have any questions or comments for me about the show, suggestions of services I should review in the future, be sure to send me an email at cameron@harwoodpodcast.com. I'll see you guys next time. Until then, please geek responsibly.